From the world of celebrities, Nigerian singer Asake has come under fire following reports of his alleged father, Mr. Fatai Odunsi, also known as Malo, is paralyzed from a stroke and struggling to raise funds for medical treatment. Videos and photos of the ailing man have surfaced online, leading to mixed reactions from the public. Reports suggest that Mr. Odunsi was actively involved in Asake's upbringing after his mother reportedly left when the singer was just 3 years old. However, some sources claim that he abandoned Asake as a child, leading to speculations about why the singer is not assisting him now. The situation has sparked heated discussions on social media, while some believe Asake has no obligation to help his father, especially if he was absent during his childhood. Others argue that he should not forget his roots. The controversy deepened when Asake was recently celebrating his mother's birthday, further fueling claims that he prioritized her over his father. Many believe he has chosen to forgive his mother while ignoring his father's plight. As the debate continues, neither Asake nor his management has publicly addressed the situation, but we are committed to supplying you trending news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.